We are getting ready for the holidays over here. So I purchased these snowflake stickers to put on our window right here. And I'm just going to unbox it and show you how I did it. So here's what it looks like. There are several pages in here. 5 of the sheets in the pack have these smaller snowflakes with these circles. And then 5 of the other sheets have these bigger snowflakes with these smaller snowflakes. They are, just to give you some perspective, these are actually smaller than these. So it'll just be a fun collage of snowflakes. Here's what the snowflake looks like. It's not super sticky. So I think if I put it up on the window right here, like right here, I could probably easily remove it and like put it somewhere else if I don't like the original placement. So I really like that. This was just from 1 sheet. There's a total of 10 sheets in the pack. I think these are gonna look so good with the Christmas tree all lit up. If you are looking for something to fill up your windows over the holidays, I highly recommend these snowflakes.